Polish factory worker. I did a quick overview of my setup in my new Grizzly Go602 10x22 lathe. Just thought you might want to see me making some chips. I have a brass about 1 inch diameter, nice high-speed steel. I don't know if you can see that. That's actually a turning bit, I believe, but I kind of angled it for a facing bit. We'll do some facing, some turning, and this just gives me a real nice finish. The point of this video is sharp tools that are well made and well ground, and nice and slow feed gives you an amazing finish. My first tool bits, the one that I got came with it, was this guy, and as you can see it's kind of chipped up, and I got a pretty good surface finish with that, but I always thought, well, I'll just buff it out, maybe use some real nice sandpaper. But boy, I tell you, I don't know if you can see this. I like my quick change tool post also. Oops. But if you can see that, I don't know, focus. That is a real nice ground tool. Real nice radius, real nice chip back breaker on it. Just an amazing surface finish. I mean, no sandpaper, no polish, no nothing, and that thing is baby smooth. So without further ado, hold on, use your chip brush. Don't get chips in your hands. There we go. It's all oily. It's alright. Okay. Quick change tool post is awesome. Lock that down. Safety first, safety glasses. I'm running 560 RPM. High speed steel tool. Real big radius on that tool. And let's take a facing cut. Excuse the noise. Chips just curl up there. Real nice. Take another one. I'm just kind of playing real slow, steady on my cross feed. I don't have a power cross feed, but that's alright. It's nice and steady. Taking it real slow. Gives you that real nice finish. Okay, now I'll show you how we can use this same exact tool for the turning operation. So loosen the nut. I loosened my tool post. I bumped it up against the surface I just faced. So now I know that that tool is running perpendicular to that face. Snug that up. Back it out. See if I don't hit the camera here. That's the one bad thing about the no power cross feed. Do a turning. Safety first. I'm all clear. Make sure I'm clear. I move some stuff around. Alright. E-stop off, and here we go. Nice and slow. Real nice finish. Just love it. Back it off. And let's just break that edge real quick. I don't know if you can see, but it's got a real sharp edge on it, and that's what that little radius is on that corner. So I'm just going to bring it right up there, E-stop off, forward, and we're just going to hit it. is a nice piece. Little edge break, real smooth finish. I mean, I can't even describe to you. That's a baby. I can't even feel any ridge in there. You can see a little bit, but I can't feel it. And there's no sharp edge, and this is just baby smooth. I mean, that's just perfect with that. That's the shape of bit you're going for. Real nice big radius. As you can see, a little rounded edge for breaking real easy. I use that for facing and turning. Now if you're going to face and get into a real tight corner, you can see right in here that is kind of a radiused edge. Now I have other tools. You want a sharper point or a nice corner to get a nice good shoulder, but for what I'm doing here, it's real good. Alright, just want to show you some chips. Over and out.